Our project is actually solar tracking system using MSP430, and this is our circuit diagram. Actually, we are using MSP430. The main reason for using MSP430 is low consumption of power. That is, it requires only less amount of power, and we are using motor driver circuit and also LCD to display our output intensity of solar panel, and we are using motor and solar panel. This is basically this is a circuit diagram of this thing project. Actually, this is our circuit. We are using two analog inputs here. This is analog input 1, analog input 2. Why we are using these two analog inputs is that to rotate the motor in the direction. Like if this intensity is more, the motor will be rotating in one direction, and if this is more, the motor will be rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. And we are using solar panel, and we connected the solar panel to some one pin of this MSP430. Depending on this analog value, the motor will be rotating as well as the solar panel will be rotating either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. And we are displaying the voltage in LCD display. The corresponding voltage will be displayed here. This is a working model, and let's proceed to work. You can see the red LED blinking as one voltage is this voltage is more. You can see the change in blinking of this LED. And we connected this output to motor. So depending on that value, the motor will be rotating in either clockwise or anti-clockwise. And we can see the voltage displaying here. We can show the variation. You can see the variation here, 2.2 and 2 somewhat. If we remove that, it can go up to some 0.4. This is working. You can see the rotation of the motor. Here in MSP430 we are having only one PWM pin. So in our project we require two PWMs. So we can't directly connect two PWMs in one MSP430. So we can't regulate in this project. We are unable to regulate this speed of the motor. That is the only drawback in our project. That's it. Thank you.